What's up, everybody? Today is February 6th, Wednesday, 11:26 p.m. And I am going to go over the overview for the S&P 500 this week. I got back from Thailand 2 weeks ago, and unfortunately, it's been taking me a long time, longer than I expected, to get back into the swing of things. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is the 1 hour hourly chart on the S&P 500, and what we're looking at here is impulsive moves. So the market's been making some impulsive bullish moves, and followed by a correction here, impulse into this corrective area, which is where it is right now as of February 6th. And if we take a sneak peek at the after hours, we can see that the market is dropping. Right now it's at 271.97. Not to say that's where it's going to be in the morning, but it could be some indication of where it's going to go tomorrow. So, like I said, we're in this corrective area here. There's one of two possibilities. The more likely scenario of what I think it's going to do is drop down here, drop down to the bottom of this corrective channel. It might gap down and then kind of hover and impulse down, followed by a correction and a further impulse down. So that is what I'm looking for tomorrow and Friday into next week. I'm actually going to be looking for shorts. If price does in fact make a impulsive move down below this bigger ascending channel line and out of this corrective channel, so it's kind of a double whammy. Of course, price could continue further up, maybe hover around the top of this corrective channel and then impulse and break out. Maybe come back down, touch this line, and go back up. So if price does impulse out above this line, then I will be looking for longs. But there's a lot of macroeconomic reasons why the market might be overbought, and we could be entering into a bear market. I won't go into those, but I am leaning towards, I'm going to be on the lookout for a short either tomorrow or Friday if price does in fact impulse down below this. And if it does in fact impulse below our ascending channel line here, then we should be looking for profits down to the bottom of the ascending channel, which is roughly 233. And our stop loss should be the top of this channel line. So be on the lookout for a possible impulse down, followed by a correction maybe next week, and then a further impulse down, and be looking to take profits. And your goal should be 233, possibly even further. We'll see what it does down here. It could create a double bottom and then shoot back up, or it might correct and then impulse down further. So be on the lookout for either of those options tomorrow and into next week. And I will be making a video next Wednesday and get back on more of a consistent schedule so we can better mark our progress. Okay, guys, till next time.